Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce with Visual Studio Code. So first up, what you need to do is to download Visual Studio Code from the official website. Then, install it on your computer, following the setup instructions. Next, download the Salesforce CLI from the Salesforce developer website. Have it installed in your system, and then verify the installation by running the sfdx command in your terminal. Then, open VS Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window or by pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Salesforce Extension Pack and install it. This pack includes several useful extensions for Salesforce development. Next up, create a Salesforce DX project. So open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P. Type sfdx, then create project with manifest and select it. Provide a project name and choose a location to save your project. Then authorize an org, so open the command palette again and type sfdx authorize an org, and then select the environment you want to connect to, so for example, production or sandbox. Then follow the prompts to log into your Salesforce org and authorize the connection. Then finally, retrieve and deploy components. To retrieve components from your Salesforce org, use the command palette and type sfdx retrieve source from org. And to deploy components, right-click on the component in the Explorer view and select sfdx deploy source to org. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.